I'd like to take a moment to welcome you to the College of Computing and allow you to think about making us your home for your educational journey. If you want to be a software developer, come join our computer science program. If you're considering the data side of things, we've got a data science and analytics undergraduate degree that's just launching. If you're thinking about the security aspects, consider our cybersecurity program, which also recently was given an NSA designation. If maybe you're thinking more about the business side of things and the interface between business and technology, we've got an information systems program. And finally, if you would like to know how the technology that's delivering this video to you today helps an organization be successful, we've got an information technology degree for you as well. In the College of Computing, we're working with industry and community partners to revise our curriculum and make sure it's future-focused. We're building out pathways where students are not only in the classroom, but they're getting experiential learning through internships, project-based learning, and company-sponsored events. That way, the skills they're learning in the classroom transfer immediately to their future jobs. Thanks for taking a look at our programs today. I hope that you choose Grand Valley State University and the College of Computing as you look to continue your educational journey.